Hello, good morning, sir. I am Sayed Sami from C section CSC department. Our project is structural and computational representation of C program. We are presenting its main objectives is of our project is converting C programming into the different graphs based on the representation that helps us to understand the program structure, execution flow, and data dependency. These representations are widely used in the compiler designing, static code analysis, and the AI-based understanding system. Let me share my screen to show you the code we have written. Share screen. Share. Okay. This is our project's three files: index.html, script.js, style.js. I have rendered this code. Hmm. Let me explain you the one by one of our code. First part is the input of the C programming. In the input of the C programming, variables are A and B. Initialization is value 5 and 10. C variable is for the declared part, and if else condition checks whether A is less than B. If the condition is true, then the C equals to A plus B. Otherwise, C is equals to A minus B. Finally, the C value is printed here. Next output analysis is our lexical analysis, means tokens analysis. Analysis is this part is the first phase of the our computational. In this stage, the source code is broken into the smaller units called tokens, includes key int A, B, C, operators, and variables values. These all are our tokens, lines, numbers, token types. All are we have displayed here. Mm. Next is our abstraction syntax tree. This is the represents the hierarchical structure of our source code, sir. Hierarchical structure of our source code. The root name, the root is the main function, sir. Then the child root are the represent declaration, condition assignments, and the function calls. If statement becomes the decision node, the assignment statements becomes the child nodes under the conditions. Unlike the source codes and the abstraction syntax tree removes the unnecessary symbols and focus on the logical structures of the programs. Next, fourth part is our control flow graph. This graph is represents the order in which the program statement is executed. The starting from the start node and the control of starting from the start node and the entrance into the main function and the checks the condition variable initialized, and next the conditions checks if the true the execution flows in the right branches as you see, otherwise it goes to the left branch. Both the path merge at one part to the print. Otherwise it's true means also printing, if false also printing. Finally the program returns to the return function, then the program is finished. Next our explanation of is a data flow graph. This data flow focuses on how the data moves between the variables and the operators. In this graph, variable A, B is the input values, constituents 5 and 10s are connected to the variables. Arithmetic operations is used in these values. The result is stored in the C as you see here. The result is stored in the variable C. The finally the printed. The dash arrows represents the data dependency. This graph helps to identify the variable usage, data dependency, information propagation, optimization opportunities. And the next step is our final step. This is crowd property graph. What is the crowd property graph? Means combination of the abstraction tree, syntax tree, and CFG and DFG is called total called the our code property. CFG means control flow, DFG for the data flow, gives the complete view of this program. AST node shows the program structure, CFG node shows the execution path, DFG shows the dependency. Depends different colored edges are connected to this component together. Because of this, this is widely used in the static code analysis, debugging, security analysis, and AI based understanding. This is our project, sir. Thank you so much, sir.